Hi, Caroline Anderson here with Paul Hill. We're here to show you ETC's commercial credit modeler and how easy and quickly you can do a loss estimate calculation if you're a small company. We're going to keep it short and sweet, so here's Paul.
Thank you kindly, Caroline. All right, as promised, we're going to run through a couple of analyses on our commercial credit modeler for you. With the program, you've got a couple of menus here that the first two menus actually are used to define your own business. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select wholesale trade. I'm going to say that I'm doing, let's say, $1 million to $2.5 million in annual revenues. So I've just defined my business, and now I'm going to pick a couple industries that I'm selling to that I want to get loss estimate information on. I'm going to say that I am doing business with manufacturing in, let's call it Colorado, and I'll add that analysis to my cart. Okay, and there we have manufacturing in Colorado. Going to add one more analysis, and I'm going to say that we're also dealing with construction in Colorado, and I'll add that to my cart as well. So we've got both analyses here, manufacturing and construction. And now let's grab our results. Okay, and this takes a couple seconds. It's an Excel file. And here we go. To enable editing here. And okay, there we go. So let me show you some of the values that you've got here in this file. This is your loss estimate file, and we've pre-populated a lot of information that is known by our program. First thing you should pay attention to is we know the loss estimates by company size and industry sector that you're likely to encounter. So we know for manufacturing in Colorado, tiny businesses that are doing less than 100,000 a year, there's a very high default probability for the next 12 months. You're looking at about 27% default probability. As we move up in company size, say 100,000 to 500,000, you drop to 23%, 500,000 to $1 million, you drop to a projected loss of 12.6%, and you keep going all the way up. Businesses over 10 million, they're going to be about a 0.5% loss estimate, and then over 100 million, it's about 0.1% as a loss estimate. And then we've got the same values for the construction industry. For tiny companies, you're looking at a loss estimate of 26.1%, then 22%, 11.5%, and it keeps declining as you go up in company size. What we've done as well is we pre-populated, we have the average apportioning of AR by industry sector and by company size. And so we know that on balance, companies in this revenue range, $1 million to $2.5 million, they're going to be doing their AR distribution is going to range from 0.5% with tiny businesses up to about 38% for larger companies. You can overwrite any of these values as you pull AR balances from your collections program. So let's say you want to overwrite your AR for your smallest businesses. Let's just copy 10,000 in there. Notice all the functions recalculate, and we'll keep going. Let's say 30,000 here, and everything is recalculating to provide you with new values. And what we're doing here with program, you see rack up of totals. We basically got sums for the manufacturing and construction sectors, and your sums are down here in your bottom line row. you're exposed to, based on what we've plugged in here, losses for your smallest businesses of $4,410. Next company size up, 6,728, moving up further, 5664, and then we sum everything across. You're looking at loss estimates of about $25,000 for this year. And as we showed you a few minutes ago, you can overwrite any of these values as you pull your own data from your AR program. So this is basically something that you can customize with your own values and take it to your banker and provide him with a loss estimate model that's going to be defensible for you. So thank you very much. That's it for the moment. And let us know if you have any questions. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye, y'all.